First of all, create three files: input.txt, output.txt, and python.py file. Then open all these three with the Sublime text. After opening this, go to view and then layout. In that, select column 2. After that, go to view again and then click on groups, then new group. After this, you can maximize or minimize. Then shift this input.txt and output.txt. After that, import systems, also called as sys, then sys system dot standard std in equal to open, then file name input dot txt, and then the method what we have to do, r for write. Then let's copy this and again create here standard out and then change this to output, and then read to write. Here w is write. So then now you can take any input. Let's take input, and then print x. If we run this, now you can see, so one got printed here in the output.txt.